I wanted to take the time today. I think Josh is going to go into the numbers and where we are in terms of distribution of the vaccines. I wanted to take a step back and talk about different numbers, about what the COVID-19 pandemic has already done and what it will continue to do. Already, you're looking at over 4 million, and you're seeing over 115,000 healthcare workers who have passed away worldwide. And that's a big deal in areas where you might see 1 or 2 doctors per 100,000 of population. You're seeing the prediction is that this last year has left almost 95 million people who might be pushed into extreme poverty, additional 95 million who might be pushed into extreme poverty. You're seeing food insecurity, about 130 million who are being pushed into brink of starvation. Not only is it the fact that COVID-19 pandemic is affecting those who have the disease, who are admitted, but it's also affecting other routine functions of healthcare systems. There's a recent WHO report that says that there's the delay to routine immunizations that has extended to about 23 million people worldwide. What that leads to is secondary outbreaks. When you drop the amount of immunity in a community from measles, for example, you're going to start to see measles outbreaks. And we've seen that in lesser degree in the aftermath of other outbreaks and epidemics, such as the 2013-2016 Ebola virus disease epidemic in West Africa. And you're seeing impacts on childhood education, about 1.54 billion children out of school, a whole generation affected. And the longer communities that are unvaccinated have to go through lockdowns, through non-pharmaceutical interventions to slow the spread of disease, the longer that social impact is going to be. But it's also a global impact on our economies. The longer there are, societies are overwhelmed from acute surges of infections, you're going to see factories close down, you're going to see production close down, you're going to see trade be affected. And in fact, the International Chamber of Commerce has predicted that you might see about $9 trillion decrease in losses in terms of global world economy.